Good morning, everyone. It's Shauna, the tax goddess. There's a lot of stuff about this American Families Plan, that proposal that Biden has put together that is just making me want to cry. So, now you guys know that we specifically here at Tax Goddess, we speak to 6, 7, and 8+ entrepreneurs, figure entrepreneurs. And this one is really, it just breaks my heart. So let's talk about this. This is the capital gains increase, the tax rate increase from currently a maximum of 23.8%, all the way up to a maximum of 43.4%. Now, this is only supposed to impact families that have a $1 million household income or above. But the biggest issue here is that Biden's proposal assumes that this capital gains tax rate is going to go into effect late April of 2021. Okay, as of filming, today is June 4th. If this happens, if it passes this way, we've got people that have sold something between, let's just say, May 1st and today, June 4th, that may be paying a 43.4% tax when they understood, and the rules at the time were 23.8% maximum at the federal level. Now, the one good thing here is that 6 of the main leaders in some of the largest banks in the world have said, please don't do this. This is going to cause a massive issue. It's going to cause an almost immediate stop to wealth accumulation. I mean, our economy is just now starting to come out of COVID. We need business owners to be able to sell their business. We need people with cryptocurrencies to be able to sell their cryptocurrencies. Okay. We need these things to happen in our economy. Otherwise, we're not going to have the cash flow to restart the jobs. I mean, the people selling businesses to new business owners to start businesses, those are the ones that are going to be creating jobs. Now, I think what really bothers me about this the most is that, especially if you're selling something big, okay, you guys know I've talked about it all the time here on Tax Goddess. There's 4 ways to either not pay or to defer tax on selling something big. But if you were looking at it, let's say it was May 15th, okay, it was after the end of April, but before today, if you were looking at this saying, all right, I can sell my business, I think it's time for me to retire. Let me sell it to the younger generation. Let them rebuild through COVID and create new jobs. You sold it at 23.8, but now under this proposal, when you go to file your tax return, if it passes, I'll give it that, but you go to file your tax return, an additional 20% of your sales price is now going to go to the government. So, I don't rant very often, and you guys know that I normally don't talk about proposals, okay? But I'm going to say this, and you're going to hear me be saying it in video after video after video. We have to pay for COVID somehow is basically what this type of proposal, the American Families Plan, is really coming after. And without getting to politics, you guys know I don't do politics. This really bothers me because the types of things that they're expanding, I want everybody to have help, okay? The COVID, of course, hit everyone, little guys, right? And huge corporation businesses, it hit everyone completely across the board. But if you start hurting the middle American taxpayer, the businesses that are being sold for $1 million, okay, these, in the big picture of things, these $1 million businesses are little businesses. They're the ones with 20 employees. Those are the jobs that are putting food on people's plate. This is to me, this is a serious issue. Of course, here at Tax Goddess, we're going to keep watching this. But yeah, please keep your ears open. We love all of our Tax Goddess family. Thank you so much for joining us. If you have not yet subscribed, please do. We bring you tax tips, tax knowledge, ways to get around things like this, okay? So remember, I just said there were 4 different ways to either get out of completely or to defer the tax if you're selling something big. So don't hesitate to reach out to us. There's tons of videos on our channel. You can also check out, for example, one of our websites, DST, the letter D as in dog, S as in Sam, T as in trust, deferred sales trust, the number 4, ME. So DST for me, if you're selling something big, That's one of the fantastic tax strategies that Tax Goddess and our global team brings to you to help you reduce your tax burdens. So if you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to reach out. We look forward to helping you. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.